We do it to give back. We're helping out our club. And part of the deal is to volunteer. And we volunteer for the race series.
My name is Brian Corr and I'm with the Civil Service Harriers, and we traditionally look after the road marshals on this race. So we do the 5 mile, the 10 mile and this half marathon. We probably have about 50-60 people on the roads. They all volunteer and I'm the chief guy who gets them to volunteer. It's my birthday. I'm 50 yesterday. My family didn't do much for me, but my running buddies, my real friends, came together, made me a cake and set up my birthday station over here, and it was good, it was nice, you know.
We do it to give back. We're helping out our club. We're part of Civil Service Harriers and have been for a number of years. And part of the deal is to volunteer. And we volunteer for the race series. We do the 5 mile, the 10 mile and the half marathon.
And the marathon.
And the marathon. We help out the marathon as well. We've been doing it about 5 or 6 years. And when we're not running, we like to watch runners for some reason.
My name is Eamon Dole. I've been involved in the Dublin Marathon now for the last 25 years. Everyone knows what you have to do. Everyone shows up on the day. This is all part of the race series that leads to the marathon in 35 days' time. You haven't got these guys out there marching the course, guys doing the start and finish area. These things don't happen. We all appreciate running because we all run ourselves, you know. So it's going to go, it's getting bigger and better.
You have finished the half marathon. You are wonderful.